Today, we're exploring the question, can you DoorDash to a hospital? It might seem like a straightforward question, but as we'll discover, there are several layers to consider. Let's start by understanding what DoorDash is. DoorDash is a food delivery service that allows individuals to order food from local restaurants and have it delivered directly to their location by an independent contractor known as a dasher. Now, can you use this service to deliver food to a hospital? The short answer is yes, you can DoorDash to a hospital. However, there are important considerations and steps you should follow to ensure a smooth delivery process. Firstly, it's crucial to check the hospital's policy on food deliveries. Some hospitals might have specific guidelines or restrictions regarding outside food deliveries for patients, especially considering dietary restrictions or health concerns. Always verify with the hospital before placing an order. Secondly, when placing your DoorDash order, provide detailed delivery instructions. Hospitals are complex buildings with many entrances, departments, and wings. Specify the hospital's name, address, the recipient's full name, room number, and a contact number. This information is vital for the dasher to deliver your order accurately and efficiently. Additionally, consider coordinating with hospital staff. Informing the front desk or the patient's care team about the incoming delivery can help facilitate a smoother handoff, especially in hospitals where deliveries are not permitted directly to patient rooms. Some hospitals may require deliveries to be left at a reception or designated area for security and health reasons. In terms of what food to order, think about the patient's dietary needs and restrictions. Hospitals may have rules about what patients can consume, so it's best to consult with them or the patient directly when choosing menu items. Lastly, remember that while DoorDash can deliver to hospitals, the success of the delivery relies heavily on clear communication and understanding the policies of the establishment. DoorDash itself provides a platform for restaurants and dashers to accommodate special delivery requests, but it's up to the customer to manage the specifics of the delivery location. In conclusion, you can indeed use DoorDash to deliver food to a hospital, but it requires a bit of planning and coordination. Check with the hospital, be clear with your delivery instructions, and consider the health and dietary needs of the recipient. Following these guidelines can help ensure that your thoughtful gesture of sending food to someone in a hospital is successful. Thank you for watching. Whether it's supporting a loved one or ensuring a friend has a delicious meal, DoorDash can bridge the gap between comfort food and hospital stays with a little preparation and consideration. Stay informed and make your deliveries count.